Nice.
Welcome back to the channel, CCW Fox. I'm Lee. Hopefully y'all had a good Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's make 2025 the year we get our projects done, get these Fox bodies back on the road, get them out of paint jail, because that is the thing. Some of these cars are locked in body shops. But hopefully get you motivated, get on them, get your car out of the body shop, and hopefully I get to see you at an event or car meet. I like meeting subscribers or just other Fox body enthusiasts. So let's make 2025 the year of the Fox body.
CCW Fox. Oh yeah.
All right, for today, we're going to review some Fiddlefartfab parts, mainly the radiator supports and a little install to do them because there's a slight modification you got to do to them. If you don't know who Fiddlefartfab is, or Tom, you must be sleeping in the rock because Fiddlefartfab makes some really cool parts for these Fox bodies. I want to give a special thanks to Tom for making these cool products because for a while, Fox body parts were stagnant. Like nobody was making anything for Fox bodies. And of course, the resurgence of people getting into it. People started making new stuff, and Tom is one of the ones making some really cool things. So I just want to say thanks to Tom, and I'll show you a slight modification you got to do to get these to fit a 3-row radiator because these are more designed for a 2-row radiator. And there's a slight little modification you got to do. Nothing crazy, a little grinding, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do. It's super easy. It's literally 5 minutes each side, but this makes like the radiator support look way better. And then also show you some of the other Fiddlefartfab parts that I bought and help make the car look a little better. But let's get to it. All right. So the modification you got to do has to do with this slot right here. The reason being is since it's meant for a 2-row radiator, it stays flat like this versus the 3-row radiator, which is a little more wider. The angle needs to be a little bit more like this. So this doesn't really fit into the slot it needs to be. So say you're putting it on a factory radiator. As you can see, it fits right into the spot, just hanging lower. But if you try to actually do it to the 3-row and put it over here, it doesn't do it. So you have to put in the angle. So the mod you have to do is just pretty much this right here. If you look, you can see I grinding down this little section right here. I measured it. It's like between 1/8 and 1/4. So I think that's like 3/16 of an inch. I literally made just a little template right here, which is this little piece of paper. Just a second. It's literally that much you got to grind off. That much right here. So you pretty much just grinding off that much right there. So it really ain't that much. And then once you do that, you're able to fit over it. Get it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. But once you do that, it bolts all the way down. And as you can see, it holds right over the radiator. So that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do is just grind down that little section to get the rad support be at the right angle. And I'll show you like me grind down the other, how I made that little template. And that's pretty much it. And it works. So I just get the hole lined up right there. And then all I got to do is just mark it where I need it to be, which is pretty much right here. And right there. And then I'll put the template right there. And then I'll start grinding away. All right. So now I got it marked. Right here, I already have a little template, so that's what I'm gonna grind off right there. Just that little piece, and that should get you to get the rad support to go all the way down and clamp onto the boat. So I'll just trace it over again with the marker and grind that off. Do a little test fit, see how it looks. Might need a little more. Let's see. Yeah, just a little more on this edge right here. All right, right there. Just a little more on this edge, and then we should be good to go. All right, that should be good to go. And let's see. Bam, voila. Sits all the way flat. As you can see, now it fits right over this radiator. All I gotta do is push it a little more, and that's it. But now you can see it sits all the way flat, and that's all you need. Yeah, look at these old junky ones I had on my car. These are from 1993. And look at these Fiddlefart ones. Man, it looks so much better. But you are going to need the rubber insulator. This is going to have to go inside the Fiddlefart one right here. So it holds the radiator support. But you're going to have to cut these little edges off right here. And there's one in the back to slide it off because they're pretty stuck in there. So all you got to do is just get a razor and take that off and take that off right there. And that's it. Once you cut off the edge, these are kind of worn out. I'm about to buy new ones, but for now, I'll just use these. You just slide them in, just like that, and there you go. So all you gotta do is slide right into the cut part of the rat support right here. Like I said, Tom did a pretty good job of making these fit right because you can see they fit on there really good, nice and snug. New ones are gonna fit better, but I'll get those later on. I already got that side done. All I gotta do is screw it on this side. And that's it. You can see it fit really good on that two-row and really good on this side. I mean, look how it looked in the car versus these. I can't believe I even had these in the car, but it's one of the things I just neglected. And I'm glad I got with Tom and got these radiator supports because man, they look good in billet black versus this old junk. So, Tom Fiddlefart, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Look at that. Looks way better. Way better. Get that out of the way. Let's just get these out of the way. And there you go. All done. As for other parts, I have his bumper supports. Also got his boat kit. Guys, when you need a boat kit, I'd recommend getting an extra bag because you only get 6, which does cover all the fenders. But I got another bag just so I can take off this bolt right here as well on both sides because to me it just looks kind of completes the look. Also, I have the billet hood latch, which looks really good. And then, as you can see, also, I got his hood hinge kit. Guys, I'm gonna do an install video on these because my buddy got a set too, so we're gonna do it on his car, and it'll be good. It's not gonna be a step by step, but more of a guide because these hood hinges are a little tedious because they're adjustable. But I'll cover everything in that video. But like I said, it makes all these Fiddlefart stuff just makes the car look way better. Just makes it look way better. Who would have thought that a hood latch would be, what do you call it, make it look even better? But nah, it looks good. It looks real good. Well, guys, thank you for sticking to the whole video. I want to give a big shout out to Tom. Thanks for giving a little channel like me some attention. And guys, if you can, go to fiddlefart.com and show Tom some support. buy something, help him out. He's a small business and he's making cool parts. It'll help him also to make a bunch of different other new cool parts that we'll love on these cars. Uh, and I just want to say thanks a lot to my subscribers and guys who are watching. And thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I'm just a small channel trying to grow, and I appreciate everything. So thanks for taking the time out of your day for watching this video. And until next time, see you guys.
Thanks for watching.